buhay akong lumangoy sa iba't ibang klaseng tubig, sa tabang, sa kanal, sa irigasyon, sa alat, sa luha, sa lahat. Para lang makakita ng isang katulad mo. Hindi ordinaryo. Sanay sa kalaliman ng buhay. Isang tao na makikita yung puso ko at hindi yung mga pasa ko. Isang tao na kaya hawakan yung kamay ko sa harap ng mga sanggano, ng mga santo. Isang taong maniniwalang hindi man kami bagay. Tao naman kami.
These are our ingredients for our beef bulalo. 2 kilos of beef shank. Pag meron kayong nakitang marrow, mas maganda yon kasi yung talagang masarap parang diamond ng bulalo. Pechay Baguio or Napa cabbage, repolyo na pamilyar tayo, Baguio beans, yellow corn to give that sweetness sa ating sabaw, and onion leeks. Yung ibang tao, ginagamit nila yung dahon ng leeks. Pero kasi, mas yung pinakatas ng leeks, nandito siya sa stalk. So, yun ang gagamitin natin.
Our bilo-bilo, or the glutinous rice balls. So, basically, it's made of glutinous rice flour and some water.
Water ball! Water ball!
So, you can dump it in. Alright, that's good. Alright, and then...
Filling with so much pepper. You need to balance it with your rice or I think a little vinegar with it. Might work.
The more you buy it, it's gonna be better.
It's like what I said. I give it 3 baboys over 5 baboys.
200 California ones.
Okay.
The new flavors of McDonald's Shake Shake Fries. So what are the new flavors of McDonald's Shake Shake Fries? They have 3 new flavors. The first one is the pizza. The second one is the cheesy butter. And the third one is the barbecue, which is not available. So today I'm gonna try only 2 flavors. So yeah, without further ado, let's start.
Lechon kawale. Lechon kawale is part of the belly of the pig, and you just fry it in a pan, and you just put some mantamas on it and some rice. Oh my God, you got something special there.
We're in the summer capital of the Philippines, specifically at Camp John A at the Manor, and we're just checking in.
I am here now in Davao with my Bugos Lai Sayap family, and we're going to try the tubing only here in Davao City.
Pa lang, 5:45 pa lang ng umaga. Nandito na kami sa airport. So, yun, nagpapalit na ako ng Hong Kong dollars. Para at least pagdating namin doon, may pera na agad kami. Kasi kailangan agad namin bumili ng octopus card. So, parang ayun yata yung touch card nila doon.
Lagi na natin sunod na subject. Subject, Pola.
Subject Pola.
Pola.
Ating third subject. Gandang araw sa'yo, Pola.
Gandang araw sa'yo, Pola.
Hello. Good morning.
Good morning. Kamusta ka naman?
Oo nga.
Kinakabahan. Okay lang naman.
Huwag kang kakabahan dahil ito tayo lagi na natin itong ginagawa. Nasasanay na din tayo dahil ito ginagawa natin para sa
Siyensya.
Siyensya.
Or science.